Welcome to How Do I AI, where we explore practical tips for using AI to create personalized instruction and complete time-consuming tasks in just a few clicks. I'm Elena, a K-12 educator, a dyslexia provider, and a doctoral candidate in neuroeducation at Johns Hopkins University. This video will focus on how ChatGPT can be helpful in turning progress monitoring data into paragraphs that help describe a student's progress towards their annual goals. You will need a free or paid ChatGPT account, student-specific progress monitoring data, and an IEP in draft. So here's some data that I've collected. There are some dates, titles of probes, and the student-specific scores. All the data is de-identified, so I have replaced the student's name with a blank. So my prompt says, can you write this information in a summative paragraph? Do not include any outside information. Use a blank in the place of the student's name and she, her pronouns. Then I've copied and pasted my data from my document into the chat window and hit enter. And here's the output. It is an exact summary of what the data was indicating, but integrated in a well-written paragraph. Next, you copy the output and paste it into the IEP. You will then need to replace the blanks with the student's name and revise or add any other specifics that your numeric data did not capture. Here's another example. This is a Google Doc used to collect data on math goals. I de-identified the document by using the find replace all function and have replaced the student's name with a blank. I have also saved this document on my computer. My prompt this time prepares ChatGPT for the task I wanted to do. So I am saying I will upload a document that has progress monitoring data for 2 math goals. For each of the goals, you will write a summative paragraph of the data. Are you ready for the document? And then I get, yes, I'm ready. Please upload a document. And so I'm uploading the document with a little note that says, use a blank in place of the student and she, her pronouns. And then I hit enter. Here is what we get. Each goal is listed and followed by a summative paragraph with a blank in place of the student's name. And all we need to do is copy and paste into the IEP in the section dedicated to discussing progress towards last year's goals. Finally, add the student's name in the blanks and see if you need to restructure the sentences to match your style of writing. Here is a sample of how I have done that. A word of caution. ChatGPT is a useful tool, but is not always accurate in executing commands all of the time. So always make sure you have the final say. So reread and check that the writing matches the student's data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and feel free to post any questions in the comments section.